Welcome today in front of me Google Pixel 6 Pro, and I'll show you how loud is speaker on this device. With the help of the decibel meter, I'll just enable the decibel meter and I'll set the maximum mode of loud here. So that means that when the decibel meter will just hear and register the more loud of the speakers, or he'll just change they will hear the volume, and I'll just start to show music. So as you can see, the Google Pixel 6 Pro reached the 8.8 decibels. So that's how it looks, and if you like this video, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.